purchasing the TP-Link HS220 Smart Dimmer switch. In this video, I'll take you through the steps to install your new smart dimmer. Unlike other dimmer switches, the HS220 lets you control and dim your lights from wherever you are. You'll be able to control the ambiance and set the scene for any occasion right from your phone. Remember, not all LED bulbs are dimmable. If you're buying new bulbs, it'll usually say on the box if they're dimmable or not. Now, if you're familiar with basic electrical wiring, install will only take a few minutes. If you're not, do not attempt installation yourself. Instead, contact a licensed electrician for assistance. Ready? Let's get started. Before we begin, you'll need a secured 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. For the installation, you'll need a screwdriver, wire stripper, and a non-contact voltage detector. Download the free Kasa app on your Android or iOS device. It will help guide you along. Open the Kasa app and tap the plus symbol to add a new device. Choose Smart Dimmer to add the HS220. Choose Not Yet to set up for the first time. Next, detach the HS220 faceplate. You will reattach it in the final step. Hold your smartphone up to your old switch. You should have a Wi-Fi signal of at least 2 bars. If signal is weak, you may need to find another location closer to your router or purchase a TP-Link range extender. When ready, click Start. Turn off the power to the light switch with your circuit breaker. It's usually in the garage but could also be located in a hallway or closet. Make sure the power is off by flipping the switch to make sure the lights don't turn on. Remove the faceplate by unscrewing the 2 screws holding it in place. Unscrew the 2 screws pictured at right to detach the switch from the wall. Gently pull the switch out of the wall box using the non-contact voltage detector. Make sure no power is going to the switch. With the Kasa app, indicate which color wires are attached to the old switch. Look for the neutral wire, which is normally white but could be another color. If no neutral wire is present, the HS220 cannot be installed. The neutral wire is typically found within the wall box with the wire nut on top of it. If no neutral wire is present, it's still possible that a neutral wire may be located in another light switch in your home. Label the neutral wire with the supplied label. Look for the ground wire, which is typically green or copper in color. If present, it should be plugged into the top of the light switch as shown at right. Before you disconnect the wires, snap a picture just in case you need to reference them later. Before beginning, you'll need to remove the neutral wire nut that holds together the existing wires. Take the white wire from the HS220 and group it together with the wires you've just exposed. Screw them all together using a wire nut. Because there are sometimes 3 or more wires, you'll need to gently pull on each wire to make sure they're all securely inside of the wire nut. Now we'll deal with the live load wires. Disconnect the live wires from the old switch by unscrewing them. Use the wire labels to help you connect the wires to the correct screws in the HS220. Give each wire a tug to make sure it is securely connected to the switch. Push all the wires back into the wall box and try to push them to the side to make room for the HS220. Set the smart dimmer in place. Line up the screws with the wall box and screw it in. Attach the faceplate by pressing it onto the front of the dimmer. If you choose to use your own faceplates, make sure not to use metallic ones as they can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Turn the power back on using your circuit breaker. Now you can use Kasa to configure the HS220 on your Android or iOS device. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your new smart dimmer switch.